innovation is hard. It's an easy word, but it's hard. And where CIFT fits in and with their contacts, with their in company resources and the resources available to them at their fingertips, it can truncate my process of innovation.
It's not an easy feat. There's so many different channels. There's all sorts of different types of things you have to consider from a regulatory standpoint. And so you really have to be a bit more creative on how you make that happen.
And we're working on projects now that are involving, IoT, and we have projects involved in robotics and AI and vision and things of this nature that, we've been tinkering around on them, but now, I understand where they're going a lot better. And I think it's forced me to be introspective too. Kind of weird.
We're always looking to enhance our food safety. We're looking at our slicing area, and some of the members had some experience with UV light. We got an idea just from some of the other that are members of CIFT.
Our focus initially was much more on that technology piece. So there was that natural connection to being innovative. Where are we going to find things that have been very successful out there in other capacities or other industries, and figure out how the food industry can benefit from that information, that knowledge?
And they'll say, oh, did you know this company does this? Here's a name for them. Why don't you give them a call? They could probably help you with that. And that's big.
Many times we kind of come in behind, certain technologies are applied in various other industries, and yet there's some relevancy that could be correlated to food, and no one was really kind of identifying those opportunities, or at least helping companies determine when they're a good fit.
One of these other projects that we used with CIFT was we were trying to improve the trimming of our breast carcass. And we spoke with them about this project, and they had some of their engineers and experts look at it, and some of the innovative ideas that they came up with, really out of the box type thinking, and presented them to us. It was the collaboration of all these ideas, the collaboration of all this innovation that really moved that project forward.
Taking something that was just kind of an initial concept of, is this a technology suited for the food industry, and now seeing it kind of build into what we like to call as the center of excellence for Ohio, and building that so that more and more companies can capitalize on it, benefit from it, and in the end, consumers are going to be the winners, because they're going to be able to have a product that they feel very comfortable with.
So it's just really cool to brainstorm and work with innovative folks like CIFT, and that's probably one of the better things they bring to the partnership, is that innovation.